Okay, so Walrus asked, hey, started reading the book you recommended. Personally, it felt hard to learn all statistics from machine learning, but this book is so smooth, ISLR. Sorry, I guess I don't... Okay, there you are. For some reason, that came in really late. Hey, started reading the book. I'm sorry, are you talking about two different books? I don't know if you're talking about two different books there. Because you say that the ISLR book is smooth, so is that different than the other one you were saying was harder? Help me understand that. I'm not sure I fully understand your question, my friend. But yeah, right now I recommend two books, right? The ISL book, come on Sundays. I'll show you how to do the ISL AI version, right? We're going to do AI. And then your first year in data science, it's my book. I think, I spent a lot of time to produce a quality product for you guys. It's in color. But I hope that helps you both. The ISL book will help you on the technical side, and my book will help you on the real world side to help you make that transition into actually working with the data science team and all that. Okay?